السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته أعزائي الطلبة والطالبات. ده درس problem solving and data analysis, probability and conditional probability. Each question number one هنا بيقول each face of 14-sided die is labeled with a number from 1 to 14 with a different number appearing on each face. If the die is rolled one time, what is the probability of rolling two? Rolling two is the same as rolling 5 or rolling 9 or rolling 1 or rolling 10. 2 is one number of 14 numbers. So 2 is one face of 14 faces. الداي ديت فيها 14 sided die. So 2 is one number out of 14 different numbers. So probability of rolling 2 is just 1 divided by 14. So 1 divided by 14. And rolling 2 is the same as rolling 5, rolling 9, rolling 1, rolling any number between 1 and 14. So the answer is 1 over 14. This question is saying the table shows the number of different colors of marbles in a bag. If a marble is chosen at random from the bag, what is the probability that the marble will be blue? Blue. So we need number of blue marbles divided by total. Total is 40 and blue is 10, so it is 10 over 40, which is 1 over 4 or 10 over 40. This is here. 10 over 40, number D. This question says, in Tuesday, a local gas station had 135 customers. This is 135 customers. The table above summarizes whether or not the customers are on Tuesday purchased gasoline, a beverage, both or neither. يعني purchased, not purchased, purchased gasoline, not purchased gasoline. Based on the data in the table, what is the probability that a gas station customer selected at random, gas station customer is 135 selected at random, on that day did not purchase gasoline? How many did not purchase gasoline did not purchase gasoline is these 35 plus 15, which is 50. So the answer is 50 out of the customers, all the customers, 135. This is the answer. The table above shows the number of students from two different high schools who completed summer internship in each of 5 years. No student attended both schools. Of the students who completed a summer internship in 2010, which of the following represents the fraction of students who were from Valley High School? From Valley High School, they are in 2010. So we speak about 2010 only. So 2010 is the total of 2010 is 140. This is the total. And number of students from Valley, they are 65. So this is probability. Probability always is desired events, number of desired events divided by total events. Desired events here is students from this Valley High School, and total events is of the students, the whole students. So 135, 140. So 65 over 100. A total of 25 men. So if we add those, we will get 25 total. Registered for signing lessons. The frequency table shows how many of these singers have certain voice types. If one of those singers is selected at random, what is the probability he is a baritone. Baritone is 10, so it is 10 over 25, which is, we can simplify, divided 5 equals 2, divided 5 equals 5. This is 0.4. So the answer is this. A survey taken by 1,000 students at a school asked whether they played school sports. The table below summarizes all 1,000 responses from students surveyed. How many of the males surveyed responded that they don't play a school sport? So this males. So males plus females equals 1,000 students. Males are 312 plus a number, we don't know this, and females are 220 plus 216 equals 1,000. So this x is, we can subtract 312 from both sides of the equation, subtract 220 from both sides of the equation, subtract 216 from both sides of the equation. So x is equal to this number, 1,000 minus 300 and 200 and 200, 200 and 200, 400 plus 300, 700, 1,000 minus 700 is 300. So it is something less than 300. This should be the answer. The table gives the distribution of votes for a new school mascot and grade level for 80 students. If one of these students, so one of the 80 students is selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a student whose vote for new mascot was line? So line here, 20. So number of students chose line is 20. So this is 2 over 8. We can divide by 2, divide by 2. This is 1 over 4. 20 divided 80, we can simplify 0 is 0. So the answer is 1 over 4. Said here, each rock in a collection of 70 rocks was classified as either igneous, metamorphic, sedimentary, as shown in the frequency table. If one of these rocks, so these rocks are 70, the total is 70. Selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a rock that is igneous? Igneous is 10. So this is 10 over 70, or 1 over 7. We can write it as 1 over 7. Of the 8 planets in our solar system, 4 are considered rocky. If a student randomly selects one of those 8 planets as a topic for a report. So from the total 8, what is the probability that the selected planet will be rocky? Rocky is 4, so 4 divided by 8, this is 1/2, divided by 4, divided by 4, equals 1/2. So the answer is 1/2. It said here, in a study of cell phone use, 799 random selected US teens were asked how often they talked on a cell phone and about their texting behavior. The data are summarized in the table above. If one of the 799 teens surveyed is selected at random, what is the probability? So the total is 799. Probability that the teen talks on a cell phone daily. Talks on cell phone daily is 415. So 415. So the answer is B. A band with 45 members has 11 members who play saxophone. If one of the band members is selected, band members is 45. So this is the total. Selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a band member who plays a saxophone? Who plays saxophone is 11. So 11 divided by 45, this is the probability. Stores received a shipment of 1,000 MP3 players, 4 of which were defective. 4 out of 1,000 are defective. If an MP3 player is randomly selected from this shipment, what is the probability that it is defective? So 4 over 1000 is just 0.004. So this is the answer. There are in non-fiction books and 12 fiction books on a bookshelf. If one of these books is selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a non-fiction book? Non-fiction book in terms of n. Non-fiction book is n. So n non-fiction book divided by total. Total is n plus 12. So this is the probability. N divided by n plus 12. This is not correct, not correct. So B is the correct answer. For a particular machine that produces beads, 29 out of every 100 beads it produces have defect. A bead produced by the machine will be selected at random. What is the probability of selecting a bead that has a defect? So probability is just 29 over 100, which is number C. A bag contains a total of 60 marbles. A marble is to be chosen at random from the bag. If the probability that a blue marble will be chosen is, so probability of blue is 0.35 or 35 over 100. This is equal to blue divided by total. And blue, we don't know blue. How many marbles in the bag are blue? Blue divided total is 60 equals 35 over 100. We need to solve for blue. Cross multiply 100 blue equals 35 times 60. We can subtract divided by 100 divided by 100. This cancels. 1 0 cancels with 1 0. And 35 divided 10 we can simplify. Divided 5 equals 2, divided 5 equals 7. So it is 7 divided 2 multiplied by 6. 6 divided 2 is 3. So it is 7 multiplied 3, which is 21. So the answer is 21. There are 20 buttons in a bag, 8 whites, 2 orange, and 10 brown. If one of these buttons is selected at random, so total is 20. What is the probability of selecting white? So white is 8. 8 divided 20. The answer is 8 divided 20. See you inshallah, guys. Assalamu alaikum wa